If you are a fleet manager or operator, here are 3 ways you can optimize your fleet management strategy. Number 1, driver behavior. This has become a more common approach to those who are managing fleets for reasons like insurance and promoting safe driving habits. There are tags that you can plug into the OBD port of your vehicle that give you metrics like harsh acceleration, harsh braking, excess idle time, and a ton more. Number 2, connected service vehicles for in-transit visibility. By outfitting your vehicles with an iConnect controller and tagging your equipment with RFID, you get real-time visibility into what's on the vehicle, which you can then compare with a profile that you set up on what should be on the vehicle. This provides much more visibility into the stocking and the restocking of your vehicles. Number 3, maintenance history. Your vehicles don't do any good for you if they're in the garage. So make sure that you retain an accurate maintenance history, including past, present, and future maintenance records. If you already have one of these systems in place, we can integrate with it and display it within our system. If you're interested in learning more or you want to schedule a demo, click on the post below.